rigging it up picks. So in today's video we got rid of shit car. She's no longer here with us. I finally got a GoPro and I pulled my shit wheeler into the garage. So we're just gonna call this thing shit wheeler. And instead of getting a car, I'm just gonna do fun stuff to this thing. So in the beginning of the video you obviously saw the montage. Right now I'm just taking plastics off. I'm gonna go through, fix everything. Gotta reseal this up, the coolant tank. For some reason it's not going in reverse. I'm gonna do a tune-up, new spark plug. I'm gonna clean the carb, all that stuff. And then I'm gonna get a bore kit. But I'm gonna fix these ugly headlights. I mean, I know they're nice because they're soft and they don't break as easy, but I just don't like the way they look. So expect that to probably be done first. That, and then some stuff on the rear and some stuff on the engine. I picked this up from my grandparents probably like 2 years ago for 500 bucks. It's a Polaris 350 Trail Boss, 350 liquid one. It's actually pretty sick. This thing gets up and goes pretty quick. I've had no issues with it. Every time it has always started, every single pull, first pull, it starts right up. I tried to get the push start to work. There's something wrong with it, so I'm gonna have to do something to that. So that kind of sucks, but so I don't know, just expecting videos from now on this thing. We'll have some more fishing videos coming out soon, and some audio videos. I put subs in the Dodge from the old one into the new one just because I was tired of not having subs. And then my buddy, or my brother-in-law Josh, he's got new subs and speakers in his Jeep. So I've been trying to talk him into making a video on it for the channel, so hopefully he'll be doing that soon. Going over his little setup, I'll go over my setup, and we'll go from there. Another thing I need to do on this thing is the suspension. It's pretty bad, not gonna lie. So that is one thing that needs to get fixed. Tires are nice. Chain probably needs a new chain. Everything needs to get lubed up, greased up and everything. But other than that, yeah, this four-wheeler is a 1992 Polaris Trail Boss 350. She's a fucking beast.